That is fabulous.
I love it. Yeah, with the colors.
A minute or so.
Oh my God, I love it.
Wow.
That would have been a nice photo.
You like that, Melody?
That's beautiful.
Yeah, that was
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, there we go.
That's what we're having in trouble.
All right.
That was awesome.
That was, wasn't
I
it?
like how the inside.
Thanks,
yeah.
Awesome.
Encore performance in a second here.
I don't know how you could overdo that. That was beautiful.
Hello, anybody?
We can see that pretty good. The other one's over there.
John.
Well, they do millions of them at a time.
All right, kids, here we go.
Kids? What do you mean?
There's kids right
The
here.
adult likes them too.
No.
Oh, I didn't know who
But
was
the
pointing.
kids like them more.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I don't know.
Yeah,
Maybe
I'm
not.
kidding. I'm kidding.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right.
Ooh. 4th of July in November.
I know, right?
Happy Thanksgiving almost. Next week, Turkey Day.
This is funny because look how bright it is in my camera. Or what? Well, that one was bright. The last one you couldn't even see it hardly.
There's a setting for it, and they tried to do that with my camera.
Yeah. Low light. See, mine's showing a candle on mine,
Yeah.
and it's like it's picking up beautifully. Matter of fact, I can. Here, watch. Let me show you, Melody. Watch. I'll look at. You can see them perfect.
Excellent.
Yeah. I know. He told me he was bringing stuff, but
I was going to ask him, and then Bob said I'd probably get in trouble with the club and poison each other.
well, no one's rushed up here yet.
So, they're long. They go forever,
Yeah, these are expensive.
Right.
I'm sure.
All right, I got some pictures. They're not.
See, look how good mine does. I can see everybody perfectly.
What do you got there? A little movie camera?
It's an HD movie camera. Yep.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
That's cool.
You okay? Am I in your way? I can move.
Well, how cool.
All right. Yeah, clap. Everybody clap. More.
The ones I did in this porch, you can actually see. Oh, I just discovered something with a cell phone. On auto, it wouldn't take but nothing but a blurry picture, but you put it on sport, you know, because it's a faster speed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Over there. I don't have a sport.
Go off. Weak. That was weak.
Yeah, really.
Well, that's something. It is. It's something.
It's probably steroids.
Up there inside. What he seems.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Well,
His brother's really cool. You guys ever met his brother? Yeah. He's a mean.
Here you go, guys.
Best is last.
Oh, wow, look at that. Nice.
That's for me, huh?
That was awesome.
And where to put my...
Should we let them cool and then?
Oh, I'm gonna...
And then put them in, can we put them in the fire after they cool?
Oh, yeah. Actually, I can just put them in there right now. What was that?
Thank you, Jeremy.
Oh, you're welcome.
Let's just put them in the fire.
Yeah, it's just... As long as you hold them by the bottom there, all right? Got it?
Just blew up $500 in fireworks.
No, that's usually what I do.